Take a ride in the 2024 Seltos. The Kia Seltos is sure to stand out with its appealing front end. Additionally, the Seltos offers a robust number of interior features and a large amount of space for a small SUV. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: hill descent control, remote engine start, stability control, fog lights, power brakes, braking assist, traction control, voice-activated navigation system, rear view camera, driver attention alert system. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.